đang làm không không không.
Hello anyone, today I would like to share with you unit scanner for the called ThinkCar or ThinkScan whatever. So we scan the 2017 not ran over, ran over but the Evo, something like that. Okay, let's do together. Let's scan. After we do it, I'm going to scan any European car. I want to see how they work.
Không, không. Không phải. Anh đang xem cái form mà nó bị gì.
Okay, the European car.
Về rồi sáng mai nó lại không ngủ tiếp. Phải coi anh ở đây anh phải cho mình anh biết anh là mình phải làm gì.
Okay, then over. Let's see over here. I'm going to put that on the better. Easy to check it. Okay, put auto shut. Okay, 2017 Land Rover Evo 2.2 liter. Okay, we got a house system check. Transmission for all of them. Any for a lot of code to fail. Scan anything, let's see what's going on. Okay, look at that. Oh my god, O2 sensor, oxygen sensor, transmission control module, ABS, brake, shifter gear, park and neutral switch. High speed, a lot of U-code. So, heating, ventilation and air conditioner. Okay, so now what we have to go back over here, we go to select them. Okay, you know why? We gotta clear all of them, see what's going on. Okay, go back and then we do one more time. Okay, so now we clear all, see what's going on. We clear all the light. Okay, let's see. If we clear all everything. Body control module fail. Here we go, body control module. Let's see what's going on over there. Fail lay after. So when the body control module fail, the headlamp control problem. They say the headlamp and the left side of the headlamp. Okay, that's not a big deal. So we got that out over here. Okay, the car select the function. We gotta go body control module and read the code. Let's see what code. They say the left side of the headlamp is problem. Try to clear the light and see what's going on. Okay, clear the memory. Okay, I'm gonna read one more time. Okay, gone. Good. So now I want to go back. Okay, we check something now. Tire pressure. Okay, the parking, power steering, control, blah blah blah. Driver side module. Gateway module. Body control module. So we gotta go back over here. Let's go to special function test, electrical parking brake, alarm, security, total body, suspension, the battery. You're gonna go to battery. So battery replacement. If we change the battery, we have to do this one. Test internal backup battery. The module internal check. Okay, they said they call over here the control module battery replacement reset. So we have to replace the battery. Let's go this for the first one. So okay, continue. Select switch on to yes. Okay, the reset blah blah blah. Confirm yes. Okay, complete. So now, we did already. We go back outside. Select outside. We did the complete already. We go asset. I forgot. Okay, transition off. Okay, let me move this one a little bit out here. Okay, so now it was okay. Okay, now turn the ignition on. And then we say it's okay. Okay, control module completely successful. That's good, perfect. Turn the ignition off again. Okay. That's it. Now I'm going to do the next one. Okay, now we got to do this one. They call the battery replacement reset. I said apply. The backup has been replaced. Turn the ignition on. Yes. Make sure 12 volt. I believe that. Yes. Turn the switch off. Okay. Turn the switch on. See the battery very weak. That's why. It's okay. Okay, back up at 100%, that's it. Okay, the confirm. Okay, on complete. Okay, application battery backup. Okay, yes. Okay, completely yes. That's very good. Yes, it's okay. Complete. That's it. Done. Transmission off. Okay, push OK. Transmission on. Okay. Push OK. Okay. Proceed with the carry complete. Then the trouble call clear. You wish continue? Yes. Okay, transmission off. Okay, so it's okay. Okay, transmission on. It's okay. That's it completely. Up. Okay, is it okay? That's it, done. So let me zoom out. So the very good scanner, they work for you, the ThinkCar. So I recommend you guys buy this scanner. Okay, so thank you for your watching my video. See you next video. I'm going to do every single car I'm going to put on for you guys. Thank you. See you next video. Ciao.